Hi everyone, this is Miss Nardone, technology teacher at Slidewell Elementary, and I'm going to show you how to log in to Brainpop Jr. So this year it's going to be so much easier. The teachers are already going to be able to put everybody in through the Google Classrooms, and you're just going to use your Google logins. It's going to be pretty easy, hopefully. All right, so you always need to remember we need to be on Brainpop Jr. If it brings you to Brainpop for any reason, bring yourself back to Brainpop Jr., okay? If things aren't seeming to work, you look and you're in Brainpop, go back to Brainpop Jr. Why it switches, I'm not quite sure, but make sure you're always in Brainpop Jr. So all you're going to do is click Login. You're going to click right here, G Suite for Education. See the G? G Suite for Google. Okay. Oh, it's going to ask you your child's. It's going to come up with a list, and you click on your child's name. I just did this so mine's kind of remembered. So I am logged in as my child. Here we have the dashboard. The dashboard is going to show you what is due and what assignments, okay? So this shows that internet safety is due for Miss Nardone, 3rd grade, and it's due on September 20th. So if I click on that assignment, it shows you the 3 things that I need them to do on internet safety. There's a movie. We always start with the movie first. The movie's going to give you all the information that you're going to need to do everything else. There's a quiz, and there's a write about it for the 3rd grade. Okay. Now, the next thing is your notifications. So if you click on notifications, it's going to show you any notifications that have come up from the teachers. Remember, they're going to have their classroom teacher in here most likely. It could be art, it could be music. I'm not sure everybody's going to use this yet, but it'll show you the different notifications. So that just helps to keep you straight with things that might be due. A notification will pop up, oh, this is due tomorrow, just to help you remember everything. All right, so I hope this helps. Enjoy it. Your children can use this anytime they want to watch videos and check out different topics. Have a great day.